Hello students, I hope you all are doing great. It has been a long time. We have not done class. I was busy with my schedule and sorry for the inconvenience. Today we will see the practice set of questions on alphanumeric series and direction and distance series. So that will be 30 questions and 20 or 30 seconds timer depending on the question. Okay, so let us start with the class. Are you all ready for it? Let us start then. Before then, please do subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and do share my channel with your family and friends. Are you all ready? Let us start. The first question on your screen and your timer starts now. This is the alphanumeric series question. If you haven't watched my video and this is your first class, then I would say that you can go through all my classes of logical reasoning. I've completed all the classes on logical reasoning, and then you can solve the practice set of questions which we are doing now. Okay, let us solve the first question of today's class. This is the alphanumeric series. This is the alphabet series which has been given to you. Which of the following is the fifth to the left of 11th letter from the left end? So when left, same thing is given, then you need to subtract, correct? Fifth and 11th is given, so 11 minus 5 is how much? 6. 6 from the left end you have to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A is your correct answer. So option A is the correct one. Question number 2 on your screen and your timer starts now. How many letters are there between first and second last letter from left to right of the above series according to alphabetical order? Time up. So what they have said, how many letters are there between your first and the second last letter? Okay, from left to right of above series according to your alphabetical order. First letter is your L, second last letter is W. So what is the position for L? 12, correct? What is the position for W? 23. So what you need to do? 23 minus 12 you need to do. So 23 minus 12 is 11, and then minus 1 you need to do, that is 10. Okay. So 10 is your answer. Option 3 is the answer. So this is an important question which has been asked in your exams. Okay, competitive exam. This is very important. You will just do what? 23 minus 12 and 11, right? So you will tick and come, you'll mark and come 11 as the answer. But remember, when this type of question is given, whatever answer comes, then subtract 1 from that, and that will be your real answer. Subtract 1. Okay, always subtract 1 of whatever answer you're getting. Okay, say 23 minus 12 first we did, right? 11 you got. So subtract 1 from that. You'll get what? 10. So 10 will be your answer for this type of question. So you can mark it as important. Third question on your screen and your timer starts now. This is a number series. This is a number alpha series, you can say, right? Number series this is. If 1 is subtracted from all odd numbers and 3 is subtracted from all even numbers in the given number series, then which number will be 10th from the right end? So what approach you will use here? in order to solve the question faster. How you will solve this? See, what they've said, which number will be 10th from the right hand? If you keep on doing subtract 1 from all the odd numbers and 3 from all the even numbers, it will be a waste of time, students. So what you need to do, the best approach is what the question has been asked. 10th from the right hand. 10th from the right hand is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10th is 9, correct? So 9th from the 10th end. So 9th from the 10th end, 9 is an odd number. So what they've said, if it is an odd number, you have to subtract 1. So subtract 1. So what will be your answer? 8. So option 4 is correct. So this is a faster approach, students. Understanding? Fourth question on your screen. This is also a number series question and your timer starts now. How many such 6 are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a prime number and immediately followed by a perfect cube? So you know what do you mean by prime numbers, right? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. They are the prime numbers. And perfect cubes are 1, 8, 27, correct, 64, 125, 216 and so on are your perfect cubes. So what they have said, how many 6? How many 6 are there? How many 6 are there which is immediately preceded by? Preceded means immediately preceded by, just the behind the digit of it. So is a prime number. This is a prime number and immediately followed by a perfect cube. So this arrangement you need to find out in this series. So what is that? Correct? So 6, you target on 6. 6 is followed by a prime number, but it is not followed by a perfect cube. So this is not. It is followed by a prime number, not followed by a perfect cube. This is followed by a prime number, preceded by a prime number, followed by a perfect cube. So this is one you got. Next, this is a prime number, followed by a perfect cube. Second, anywhere else you can see? No, right? So only two you can see, that is 5, 6, 8 and you have 2, 6, 8. Okay, so only this one. So 2 will be your answer. Option third is the right answer. Question number 5th on your screen and your timer starts now. This is a word series. This is a word series. If the fourth letter of each word is replaced by its next letter in the English alphabetical order, then how many letter groups thus formed will have two vowels? Time up. So plan, if you see plan, the fourth letter they have said, right? Fourth letters, I'll only choose fourth letter of each word and what I will do? I will replace it by the next letter in the English alphabetical order. N के बाद क्या आएगा? O आएगा. E के बाद F आएगा. P के बाद Q आएगा. G के बाद क्या आएगा? H आएगा. और D के बाद क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट्स? SANE आएगा. So if you see, we want two vowels in each word. Two vowels. This is one vowel, this is one vowel. So this is one. Here we have only one vowel. Here we have only one vowel. Here also we have one vowel. If you see here, SANE, again we have two vowels. So how many such letter groups are there which have two vowels? Two of them. So first one is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. Sixth question on your screen, and your timer starts now. This is a mixed series where you have numbers, alphabets, and symbols are also included. Now, how you will solve this question? If the number is followed by a symbol, if the number is followed by some type of symbol, then the position of both the elements are interchanged. Then what is the position of 4 from the right end? Where is 4? So what is the fast approach here? Instead of looking for the number and the symbol pattern, you just look for the position of 4. Can you see 4 from the right end? Yes, I can see this. Correct? Now check. 4 is followed by a symbol. Correct? 4 is followed by a symbol. So if a number is followed by a symbol, then that elements are interchanged. So what will happen? Here explanation mark will come. Here 4 will come. So what they have said, what is the position of 4 from the right end? So what is the position of 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So position of 4 is ninth. So ninth will be the right answer. Seventh question on your screen. So for this question, you have three subordinate questions to it. Okay. So this is the first one and your timer starts now. Try to solve it. Try a smarter approach in alphanumeric series. And I have been telling you that how to approach the question in a smarter way. 2-3 questions I have already told you. Okay. So this is also same thing you need to do. If the position of the first and the 30th element, second and the 29th element, so on up to 15th and 30th element are interchanged. So if you count right, there are 30 elements in total. So half of that will be 15. Okay. Which element will be ninth to the right of 8th element from the left end? What we want is ninth to the right of 8th element from the left end. So when right is given and left is given, two different things are given, you need to add. Okay. 9 plus 8 you will do. That will give you 17th element from left end we want. 17th element from the left end. But what they have said, if the first and the last element is interchanged, second and the 29th element is interchanged. So if you keep on doing interchange like that, okay, it will be a waste of time. Now see, they have said 15th and 16th element are interchanged. 30 half is what? 15. So where is your 15th element? 15th element is 3. 3 is your 15th element. A is your 16th element. Correct? So you can divide it like this. So this will get interchanged. That means A will come here, 3 will come here. Same way, this will be your 17th element. Correct? 17th element will get interchanged with the 14th element. Understanding? So we want the 17th element from left end only. So here and will happen and here, sorry, here dollar will come. After interchanging, here dollar will come and here what will come? And will come. So we want 17th element from the left end. So this is the left end. 17th element from the left end after interchanging will be dollar. So dollar is your answer. Third one is your answer. I hope you got this, how to solve it faster. Second question related to it and your timer starts now. Which element will be the fourth element to the left of 15th element from the left end? How to solve this? See, already you know that the 15th element is 15th element is what? Third. This is your 15th element. This is your 16th element. Correct? Now, which element will be fourth element to the left and 15th element from the left end? Left, left. So what will happen? Difference will come. 15 minus 4, that is 11. From left end we want. So 11th from the left end, if this is 15, this is 14, 13, 12, 11. This is 11. Correct? This is 11. But what we want? After interchanging. So, okay? After interchanging. Okay, interchanging is not mentioned in the question, right? So, 1 will be the answer, okay? 1 will be the answer. Okay, interchanging is not given you. Okay, so which element will be the fourth element to the left of 15th element from the left end they have given. So 11th from the left end is 1. Okay. Third question related to this alphanumeric series and your timer starts now. After dividing the above series into 15 equal parts from left to right and those part of the sequence is written in reverse order, then find which will be the 12th to the left of 7th element from the right end. How to solve this? Mark this as important. After dividing the above series into 15 equal parts, they have said 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 equal parts I have divided now. Now those are written in reverse order from left to right. That means this in this two we have divided into two parts, right? So this part if you see it will interchange their position. Here OM will come, here at 4 will come and so on. Now what they have said is 12th to the left, 7th element from the right end. Left, right is given, so add 12 plus 7, that will be 19 from your right end. Okay? 19th from the right end. So, so here if you come, 19th from the right hand means you will be here. Okay, in this position. So here also they will interchange first. Here at will come, 1 will come. Correct? So what will be the answer? 19th from the right hand means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19th. So 19th is 1. So 1 will be your answer. Eighth question on your screen and you will have two questions related to your eighth question. The first question on your screen and your timer starts now. If in each of the given numbers when the sum of the first two digits is subtracted from the sum of the last two digits, which number gets the highest value? 5, 4, 1, 2 is there. So this sum is 3 and this sum is 9. So 3 minus 9 you will do. You will get how much? Minus 6 you will get. Correct? Then 6, 7, 3, 9. So here you will get minus 1. 3, 2, 1, 7. If you do, you will get 3 because this 2 digits is 8. This sum is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 4, 3, 4, 1. Here you will get minus 3 again. And then 8, 9, 6, 4. You'll get what? Minus 7. So which gets the highest value? Out of all this, positive number is 3. Correct? So positive gets the highest value. So which is that number? 3217. 3217 is the correct answer. Second question on your screen, and your timer starts now. If all the numbers are arranged in descending order, then what will be the product of second digit of the third number from the right hand and the third digit of the fourth number from the left hand? See how the question is framed. So reading of the question is also important. Understanding of the question is also important here. If all the numbers are arranged in descending order, descending order means bigger number to smaller number. All of you know that, right? Bigger number to smaller number is your descending order. So arrange them first like that. 8, 9, 6, 4 will come, right? 6, 7, 3, 9, 5, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 1, and you will have 3, 2, 1, 7. Correct? This is your descending order. Now what they've said, the product they want. Product they want. Second digit of the third number from the right hand. Third number from the right hand is 1, 2, 3. This is the third number from the right hand. What digit they want? Second digit. Second digit is 4. Next see, third digit, fourth number from the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth number from the left hand. Third digit they want. 1, 2, 3. Third digit is 4. So they want the product. 4 into 4 is 16. Answer is third one, 16. Ninth question on your screen, and your timer starts now. In the numbers, if 8s and 5s of each number are replaced by 2 and 1 respectively, then which of the following number will be the smallest number? See, numbers are given to you. Okay. 5, 8, 3, 4, 5, 9, 6, 8, 7, 7, 5, 4, 8, 5, 3. If 8s and 5s of each number are replaced by 2 and 1 respectively. So if there is 8, you need to replace it by 2. If there is 5, you need to replace it by 1. 5 is there, I'll replace it by 1. I want the smallest number. Okay. Here it will be 2, 3. Next, 4 will remain as it is. 5 is replaced by 1, 9. Then 6, 2, 7. Here 7, 1, 4. Here 2, 1, 3. So which is the smallest number among this? 1, 2, 3 is your smallest number. 1, 2, 3 is your smallest number. So which is the smallest number? 1, 2, 3. So from where it is formed? 5, 8, 3 it is formed. So answer will be 5, 8, 3. Okay. 10th question on your screen, and your timer starts now. Find the total number of symbols which are immediately preceded by a number and followed by a letter. How many such symbols are there? Time up. So they have said number of symbols. So focus on symbol. Symbol preceded by a number? No. Symbol preceded by a number? Yes. Followed by a letter? Yes. So this is one pair. Then symbol preceded by a number? No. Symbol preceded by a number? No. Symbol preceded by a number? No. Correct? No. No. So anywhere else you can see? No. So only one you can see, that is 9 star M. So 1 is your answer. 11th question on your screen and your timer starts now. According to the English alphabet series, how many non-consonant letter lies between third letter of fifth word from the right hand and sixth letter of second last word from the left side? So here what they have said, how many non-consonant letters? Non-consonant letters means you need to find out the vowels. You need to find out the vowels between third letter of fifth word from the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth word and we want third letter. 1, 2, 3. V is the third letter. Sixth letter of the second last word from the left side is this one. And we want the sixth letter. Sixth letter is E. So how many vowels you can see between V and E? So that is I, O, U, right? So you can see 3 vowels. That is what is asked. So answer is 3. 12th question on your screen and your timer starts now. This is an important question, students. How many how many pairs of letters are there in the word original? Both forward and backward directions as in the English alphabet they have given. So how to solve this? Original is the word given to you, right? Write the positions of each letter. This is 15, this is 18, this is 9, this is 7, this is again 9, this is 14, 1 and 12. Now what you need to do? Check in both forward and backward directions if they are in English alphabetical order. So maximum you can go till what? Number 18. Okay. So if you see in the forward direction, any pair of letters you can see 15, 16, 17, 18. No. 18 is the maximum. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. No. 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. I don't think so in forward direction you can find any pair of letters. Correct? Now we can see in the backward direction. In the backward direction 12, 13, 14. Yes, see 12, 13, 14. One pair you're getting. 15, 16, 17, 18. Another pair. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes. 14 to 18 you're getting the third pair. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11. I think so. Okay. 12 to 14, then 12 to 18 is one pair, 14 to 18 is one pair. Any other pair you can see? See here I forgot one pair. 12. Okay, one more pair you can see when you go in forward direction. 9 is there here, right? 9, 10, 11, 12. Here one more pair in the forward direction you can see. So there are 4 pairs. How many pairs? 4 pairs you can see. So answer is 4. Same question. You need to find out the what pair of letters of format word, format word. Okay, both in forward and backward directions in the English alphabetical order. Okay, so this will be your homework question. Please tell me the answer in the comment section below. Okay? This will be your homework question. Find the odd one out. From 4 options are given to you. Find the odd one out. And your timer starts now. So tell me which is the odd one out. जो सबसे अलग है इस ग्रुप का कौन है वो बताओ जल्दी. Again, you can mark this question as important. Okay, students? This is important. This is frequently asked in your questions. Frequently asked. And it's a very scoring topic. See, whenever this type of question comes, odd one out, and the alphabet series is given to you, always remember what you have to do. Write the position of letters. This is 5, 8, 13. Correct? So 5, 8, 13. How you are getting 13, 8, 5? See the logic. Here 5 plus 8 is 13. So this is the logic. If you want to confirm, you can go for GBI. Correct? This is 7 position 2 and this is 9. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So you got the logic now. So you can find out which is the odd one out. So if you carefully check, fourth one is the odd one out because LMZ. L is 12. This is 13. This is 26. But when you add 12 plus 13, you will get 25. So this will be an odd one out. So LMZ is odd one out. I hope you got it. 15th question on your screen and your time starts now. See again odd one out question. Try to solve it. Now see what is the logic behind it and try to solve it within the timer given to you. See students, I have brought all type of alphanumeric questions to you. So, and even the direction and distance topic we will do after alphanumeric now in this class. So please do subscribe to my channel, like my channel and do share my channel. This is my request for you all. Okay. So you will do a great favor on me if you do that. So please do as I say so. So coming to the question, AIH. AIH. A is 1, I is 9, this is 8. So what is the logic do you think here? 1 plus 9 is not 8. So in the previous question what we had done? This plus this we had added. Correct? This two we had added and this we got the answer here. But what do you think here? What is the logic here? If you carefully check, if you add 1, 8. 1 plus 8, you will get the middle number that is 9. Same way, if you do GIB, G is 7, 9, this is 2. 7 plus 2 if you do, you will get 9. Same way, if I do CDF, C is 3, correct? CDF is 3, this is 4 and F is 6. But when I do 3 plus 6, I'll get 8. Correct? But here I needed 4. So which is odd one out here? CDF is odd one out. This is odd one out. Okay. 16th question on your screen and your timer starts now. Please read the question very carefully. This is a resultant based series. This is a resultant based series. Question asked, here is the question given to you. What is the product of the Resultant of first row and the second row. Time up. So how do we solve this? See, this is a table format is given to you, correct? And some conditions are given to you. 5 conditions are given to you, correct? So what you need to do here? First, you need to take this first row. First row is this, correct? And the second row is this. Can you see? This is your first row. This is your first row. And this will be your second row. Okay? So row means like this. Horizontal. Column means vertical. Correct? So they have said row. We want the product of first row and second row. So if you check first row, I'll focus on first row now. Okay, first row I'll focus. And now I will see the conditions. If an odd number is followed by another odd number, 16 is not an odd number. So first condition will not apply. Come to second condition. If an even number is followed by an odd number. Yes, 16 is an even number. It is followed by an odd number. Then what you need to do? Then the difference of both the numbers are obtained. So 16 minus 11 you need to do. 16 minus 11 will give you, if you do minus here, you will get 5. Correct? You will get 5. Now you need to focus on this 5. 16 minus 11 is giving you 5. Now you need to take 5 and the next number in the first row, that is 18. 5 and 18. 5 is an odd number. So odd number is followed by another odd number. No, 18 is not an odd number. Again check. Third also is even number followed by, that will not work. Fourth condition you check. If an odd number is followed by an even number, odd number is followed by an even number, okay, then add the unit digits of both the numbers. Add the unit digits of both the numbers. 0, 5 plus 18 you need to do. Unit digit means this digit. 5 is the unit digit and for 18, 8 is the unit digit. So 5 plus 8 you will do. How much you will get? 5 plus 8, you will get 13, correct? 13 you will get. So the resultant of the first row you got, that is 13. Understanding? Please note down. Okay. I hope you have noted down. I'll just wipe it off. So the resultant of the first row. Resultant of first row is 13. Okay. Next. Now we'll go to the second row. Second row. This is your second row. Okay. Now again you need to check the conditions. What are the conditions telling you? What are the conditions telling you? 25 is an odd number. So focus on odd number conditions. Odd number is followed by another odd number? No. 22 is not an odd number, correct? Odd number should be followed by an even number. Now fourth one you check. If an odd number is followed by an even number, then add unit digits of both the number. So 25 is there and 22 is there. Unit digit 5, here it is 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So now here of this 2 you will get 7. Now 7 and 19 you need to focus. Correct? 7 and 19. Now 7 is an odd number followed by another odd number, correct? So first condition you check, if an odd number is followed by another odd number, then both the numbers are to be added. So 7 plus 19, you'll get 22. So what is the resultant of the second row? 22. Resultant of second row is 22. Correct? Now, what has been asked in the question? What is the product of the resultant of the first row and the second row? We have resultant of both the rows. Resultant of the first row is 13. Resultant of the second row is 22. What they have asked? The product they have asked. So multiplication you will do. So how much you will get? 286 you will get. So answer is C, 286. So this is a resultant based series. Like this questions also has been asked in the exam. So please do lot of practice on this also. In my class videos, if you check, I've solved a lot of questions on resultant based series. You can go through my class video on alphanumeric series. Next question on your screen, and your timer starts now. This is a different one, students. Here also you need to apply the conditions, but here a alphanumeric series is given to you. Okay, alphanumeric plus symbol series is given to you. What they have said, how many such digits are there which is immediately preceded by a symbol and immediately followed by a vowel? But see, this is not a simple question. Conditions are given to you. That conditions you need to follow and then answer the question. And what note they have given? Note they have given step 3 is the final arrangement. Here you can see the note. Step 3 is the final arrangement and answer the following question based on the final arrangement. If you want to take, you can take a screenshot of this question, or if you want to note down, you can note down, because I'm going to the next slide where I can solve this question. I'm giving you some seconds to take a screenshot or take a photo of it, whatever. Okay. Okay, so let us solve this. Okay, I hope you have taken the screenshot. I have the question in my copy. Okay, I hope you have taken the screenshot, because otherwise you'll not know the conditions how to solve. Okay, so this is the arrangement given to you. So three conditions are given to you, correct? So first condition, how to solve it? See what they are given. If the symbols are immediately preceded by an odd digit and immediately followed by a consonant, then the symbols are placed immediately right of n in the same order from left to right. If the symbols are immediately preceded by odd digit and followed by a consonant, then the symbols are placed immediately right of n in the same order from left to right. So where is n in this? Here n is there, correct? So to the right of n you need to place them. Okay, the symbols. So first we will find out which are the symbols which is preceded by the odd digit and immediately followed by a consonant. Symbol preceded by, if you check this, preceded by an odd digit and followed by a consonant. So one is 1 at L. Where else you can see like that? Here you see dollar is there, preceded by an odd digit, followed by a consonant. $9 Now what they have said, this symbol you need to place immediately right of n. Right of n, after n, from left to right. So what you need to do, at and dollar we have got. So hash 2 h k 5% e 1. Now at you should not take, because at and dollar you should not take, because you have to place immediately after right of n. So now don't include this, don't include this. L you will write, then N, and after immediately right of N you will place this at and dollar. Understanding? This is what the condition is telling. Then as it is, you need to write Q 7 and 4 A and 3 C 9. Again you should not write dollar because dollar is already placed here. Then T U explanation mark and 6. Okay, so this is your first step. Second step what they are telling, what is the condition given in here. After completing the step 1, if the letters are immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by another letter, then the letters are placed immediately right of 5 in alphabetical order. So where is 5? Now you have to check this series. Don't look at this series, because after completing one step you need to see this series. Okay, so where is 5? 5 is here, correct? So you have to place the right of 5. Okay, but what you have to place? The letters which are immediately preceded by a number and followed by another letter. So if you see here, H preceded by a number followed by a letter. So 2HK, 1 you got. Then where else you can see? Here you see letter preceded by a number followed by a letter. So 1LN you got. Then where else you can see here? 9TU preceded by a number followed by a letter. 9TU. So these are the three which follow the second step. Okay. Now what they said, letters. So letters H, L, T. They have to be immediately placed right of 5. So place them. Hash 2 H K, after 5 you will place this. Now H will not come. H will not come, okay? Because you have to place that immediately after 5. So H will come, L, T. Okay? Then write as it is. Percentage is there, 1 is there. Okay, L will not come because it is already placed here. Then N, correct? At dollar Q 7 and 4 A. Then again 8, 8. Then and 3 C. Then 9. T is already placed. So T you should not place again. U explanation mark and 6. So this is your second step. Now coming to the third step. Now for third step you will see the second step, not the first step. Okay, like that. For the third step, whatever they have told, you will check the series of this. Okay. After completing step 2, if the digits are immediately preceded by a letter, digits are immediately preceded by a letter and immediately followed by a symbol, then the digits are placed immediately right of L. Immediately right of L in ascending order. Ascending order. So first we will see this pattern. Where is this pattern in step 2? Digits follow preceded by a letter followed by a symbol. So if you see carefully, there is only one here. That is Q7 and. See, that is only this the digit is preceded by a letter and followed by a symbol. So Q7. This is the only pattern which follows the condition. Correct? Rest all you can't. See, if you see 5 here, it is preceded by a letter, but it is not followed by a symbol. Okay? So only one is there. So what is the third one telling? If this is the one, then digit has to be placed immediately right of L. So where is L? L is here. So hash 2 K 5 H, and they have said immediately right of L in ascending order. But you have only one letter, sorry, one digit. So that will only come, that is 7. So L 7 will come, T percent 1 N at dollar Q. 7 is already placed here. Again 7 you don't include, dollar, sorry, and 4A. This will remain as it is. So this will be your final step. Okay, this is your final step. Now you need to answer the question. What is the question? How many such digits are there which is immediately preceded by a symbol and immediately followed by a vowel? So what they have said in the question? See the question. If you have taken the screenshot, they have said step 3 is the final arrangement and answer the following question based on the final arrangement. So this is your final arrangement. So based on this, you need to answer the given question. So what is the question? Digits which are immediately preceded by a symbol and immediately followed by a vowel. So digit preceded by a symbol followed by a vowel? No. Preceded by a symbol? No. Preceded by a symbol? No. Preceded by a symbol followed by a vowel? No. Preceded by a symbol followed by a vowel? Yes. And 4A is one pair you got. Okay. Next, 8. This is also not. Then if you see this one, this is C is not a vowel. Another one you can see, right? Another one you can see. But it is not preceded by a symbol. So this is also not. And yeah, only one you will get as the answer. So 1 is your correct answer. Okay. 19th question. This on alphanumeric series, all type of question we have seen now. Now coming to direction and distance topic, and your timer starts now. In direction and distance topic also, I have covered all types of questions. Don't worry about that. But you have to solve it because this is a practice set of questions I have prepared for you all, because we have already done separate classes on each topic. Now it's your time to solve and practice. Time up. 19th question. So what it is telling you that Saurav walked 12 meter towards south. So if you don't know the basics and this is your first class, I request you all to please go through my classes. Okay, topic wise classes I've covered. So you go through that. There also I've covered all type of questions. Same thing. I'm bringing two topics each in one class for your practice. That's it. Again, from basics I can't teach here because it will waste not waste I will say, but it will take a lot of time. Here we are just to practice. That's why. Okay. Saurav walked 12 meter towards south. Correct? Saurav walked 12 meter towards south. So this is Saurav. Okay. He walked 12 meter to the south. Then he turned to his left. Then he turned to his left and walked 10 meter. He then turned to his left and walked 12 meter. At what distance is he from the starting point and in which direction? So distance is also asked and direction is also asked. Correct? So at what distance is he from the starting point? Starting point is this and this is your final point. So starting point, what direction he is? So if this is 10, then this will be also 10 meter. And in which direction they have said. So from the starting point, if you check, in which direction is he now? In the east direction. This is the east direction, right? So answer will be 10 meter east. 10 meter east. Second one is your right option. 20th question on your screen and your timer starts now. See, I'll tell you this is north, then this will be your right side, this will be your left side. If this is north, if this is south, then this is your left, this is your right. If he is facing east, then this side will be your left, this side will be your right. And if anyone is facing west, then this will be their left, this will be their right. Okay, so this you have to know. So that's why I'm telling you, if you don't know the basics, you are new to my channel, then please do obviously subscribe to my channel. And also I'll tell you that please go through my classes. That will be better for you. Okay. Coming back to the question, what answer you got, students? What is the answer for this? Swami walked 27 meter towards west. 27 meter towards west. So Swami is here. This is Swami. He walked 27 meter towards east. Okay. Then he turned to his left and walked 4 meter. Then he turned to the left and walked how many meter? 4 meter. He then turned to his left and walked 24 meter. So 24 meter will be less than 27. Correct? So if this is 24 meter, okay, then at what distance is he from the starting point and in which direction? This is the starting point and direction is also asked, distance is also asked, okay, from the starting point. So if I join this, I'll get a right angle triangle. Okay. So if this is 4 meter, this will be 4 meter. If this is 24 meter till here, see, if this is 24 meter, here also it will be, this whole is 27 meter, correct? So this will be how much? 27 minus 24 you will do. That will be 3 meter. So this is 3 meter, correct? So now use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is 3 square plus 4 square. So this is 9 plus 16, which is 25. So h will be root of 25. H is 5 meter. Correct? So h is 5 meter. So distance is 5 meter. Okay. So in the option 5 meter is there, but carefully check none of this is also there. So you need to solve in which direction is he facing from the starting point. So from the starting point, which is this direction? This is your, this is 5 meter, right? So this is which direction? This is your north and this is east. So this direction you want. This direction is what? Northeast direction. So 5 meter, okay, northeast direction. But here what they have given? Southeast. So option 1 will be wrong. So correct option will be none of this, because you will have 5 meter northeast direction is your answer. So many people, many students will just see that what is the distance 5 meters coming. You'll directly go and tick what? First option. But see, you should be very careful when none of this is given in the option. So you need to solve the whole question in that case, because none of this can also be the answer. In this case, none of this is the answer. Okay. 21st question on your screen and your timer starts now. Maya starts from point B and drives 12 kilometers towards east. Okay, first try to solve it. Time up. Let us start with the question. Maya starts from point B and drives 12 kilometers towards east. She starts from point B and goes 12 kilometers in the east. This is Maya, okay? Then she then takes a right turn and drives 11 kilometers. She takes a right turn and drives 11 kilometers. Okay? 11 kilometers, turns right and drives 13 kilometers. Again, she turns right and takes 13 kilometers. So, if this is 12 kilometers, then 1 extra kilometer she goes, which will make total will be 13 kilometers. Correct? Next, she takes a right turn and drives 17 kilometers. She takes a right turn and drives 17 kilometers. Till here, it is 11 kilometers. So she goes till 17 kilometers. So more how much she should go? 6 kilometers, correct? 6 kilometers. So total here will be 17. Then she takes a final right turn, drives 1 kilometer. She takes a final drive and drives 1 kilometer. Stops at point Q. She starts from B point, right? How far and towards which direction should she drive to reach point B again? How far and towards which direction? Towards which direction she should come so that she comes to point B again? Towards which direction? South, right? This is south direction. So you can't eliminate the option because everything is south here. So how much distance she should cover? How far they have said? That is distance is asked. So obviously if this is 6, this is also 6 kilometer. So 6 kilometer south will be your answer. Okay, 6 kilometer south. 22nd question on your screen. This will be your homework question, students. This is your homework question. Tell me the answer in the comment section. Okay, please note down the question. Only direction you have to tell. Okay, I know you will tell the answers in the comment section. Okay, so let us move to the next question. 23rd question on your screen, and your timer starts now. Try to solve it. Time up. Shashank walks a certain distance, say x kilometer towards the towards the west. Okay. Shashank, he goes some x kilometer or x meter towards the west. Okay. Towards the west. So suppose Shashank is here. He goes towards the west in x meter they have said. We don't know the distance. And what is the value of x is asked in the question. Then turns left and walks 35 meter. He walks left. Okay. He turns left and walks 35 meter. So goes 35 meter. Then turns right and walks 18 meter. Then turns right and walks 18 meter. Okay. Next. From there he turns left and walks 9 meter. From there he turns left and walks 9 meter. This is 9 meter. Then he turns left again and walks 60 meter. Then he turns again left and walks 60 meter. This is already 18 meter, correct? More, how much you will require? Okay, 60. We'll see. From there, he turns left and walks 9 meter. Okay. This is somewhat 60 meter if you take. Okay. Then he walks 9 meter. Turns left and walks 9 meter. Okay. Then he turns left again and walks 12 meter. Walks 12 meter. Okay. He finally turns right and walks 35 meter. 35 meter is the same thing, correct? This is 35 meter. Okay. So then they've said a point that is exactly 10 meter to the east of the starting point. 10 meter of the east of the starting point. Means starting point was this to this, correct? So from this to this is the final point. So here the distance is how much? 10 meter they are saying. Okay. What is the value of x? So here this part we want and this part is there, correct? So this full is 60 meter. So how we'll find out the value of x? So you will say 60 is equal to, okay, 60 is equal to 18, okay. So if you see from here, if you come till here, this will be 10 meter, then this will be 12 meter, correct? So total it is 60 meter. So 60 is equal to, this will be 18, okay, plus 10 plus 12 plus x, okay, x. So what will happen? 60 is equal to 40 plus x. X will be equal to 20 meter. So answer is 20 meter. I hope you understood this. This whole thing is 60, right? This whole thing is what? 60 meter. So 60 मीटर में क्या क्या आता है? 18 मीटर आता है, 10 मीटर यहाँ से यहाँ तक अगर देखा जाए तो यहाँ तक 12 मीटर है और हमको x मीटर चाहिए. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 60 इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे टोटल है 60. 60 इज इक्वल टू, इससे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इसको ऐड करके माइनस करेंगे तो हमको x मीटर आएगा. तो 60 is equal to 18 meter plus 10 meter plus 12 meter, okay, plus x, okay. So that will give you x as 20 meter. Understanding? Understanding, right? Mark this as important and solve it thrice, twice, okay. You'll remember it, how to solve this type of question, okay. 24th question on your screen and your timer starts now. This is a shadow based question. This is a shadow based question. Shadow पे है question. One morning after sunrise, Monica and Charu were standing back to each other. Monica's shadow fell exactly on her left. Towards which direction is Charu facing? So see, in shadow concept, what I told you, you have to know that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Correct? So morning time, sun rises in the east. So its shadow will be in the opposite side. Correct? So now consider that Monica is there and your Charu is there. So they are not facing to each other. They are standing back to each other, they have said. So if Monica is facing north, Charu will be facing south, because they are standing back to each other, not facing to each other but standing back to each other, correct. So if this is north, this is south, they are facing, suppose. Now you see the timing, morning is given, sunrise is given. So sun rises in the east, so its shadow will be at the west, correct. So Monica's shadow fell exactly on her left. So left means, see, this is your shadow, okay? This is your shadow, suppose. So Monica's shadow fell exactly on her left. If this is north, okay, left is what? This side is the left, right? So shadow is on the left, they are saying. So this will be east then because sun rises in the east. Left means this will be west. Okay. Always remember east का 90 डिग्री clockwise direction में क्या होता है? South होता है. Okay. और opposite side north होगा. So towards which direction is Charu facing? Charu is facing in the south direction. So answer is south. 25th question on your screen and your timer starts now. One evening after sunset, Rekha and Hema are talking to each other face to face. Face to face means if this is Rekha and this is Hema. Okay. If Hema's shadow fell exactly to her right, if this is south side and if this is north side they are facing, suppose. If Hema's shadow is to her right, means shadow is on this side now. Okay, shadow is on her right. So what they have said, after sunset they have said, in sunset what happens? Sun sets in the west, correct? And its shadow will fall in the east, correct? So if this is east, okay, if this is east, if this is east, this is west, okay. So मैंने क्या बोला था? If this is east, if this is west, then east 90 degree clockwise direction will be your south. So which is this direction then? Rekha is facing in which direction then? South direction. Hema is facing in which direction then? North direction. So what they have said, in which direction was Rekha facing? South will be your answer. 26th question on your screen and your timer starts now. I brought all type of questions of direction and distance, alphanumeric questions. Please do subscribe to my channel and do share my channel as much as you can. Asha and Neha are two friends studying in a college. Asha starts walking from her home in north direction. Asha's home is here. This is Asha's home. Okay. She walks in north direction. Fine. After walking 120 meters, so she has walked 120 meters from her home in north direction. Then she reached the Axis Bank. Here she reaches the Axis Bank. Okay. Then she turns and walks 40 meters in the northeast direction. This is north, this is east. This will be your northeast direction. Correct? So she walks 40 meters in the northeast direction. So this will be the northeast direction. So 40 meters in northeast direction. Then she turns 90 degree clockwise direction. Now see, this is a northeast direction, correct? Students, this is northeast direction. This is your north. I hope you can see this. See, this is 40 meters. Suppose this is your northeast direction, correct? If this is northeast direction, then this is your north, this will be your east. Now this is northeast, correct? Now they have said she turns 90 degree. If this is northeast, okay, this is northeast. Now she turns 90 degree. So 90 degree means where it will come? This is 45 degree, then another 45 degree. That is in the southeast. So 90 degree southeast. So she will come like this. She will come like this. Okay. And she walks how much? 30 kilometer. Understanding? So I'll just wipe it off. So here she was. Now she will face in the southeast 30 kilometer, 30 meter to reach Neha's house. So now this is what? Neha's house or Neha's home you take. Then, which is in the east of Axis Bank? Okay, so which is in the east of Axis Bank means it should come here somewhere. So I'll little bit extend because it should be in the east of Axis Bank they have said. Okay. Next. Then from Neha's house, both of them, now Asha and Neha, both of them, they walk 130 meter in the southeast direction to reach their college, which is east of Asha's house. So they walk southeast direction. Okay, fine. Southeast direction means it will be this direction itself because this direction was southeast only, correct? So they will continue further till Asha's home because east of Asha's homes they have said. So this is 130 meter. So this will be east of Asha's home and this is their college. Okay. So what is the question asked here? Question asked is what is the shortest distance? Okay, what is the shortest distance between Asha's home and college? This is your question. What is the shortest distance between Asha's home and college? So how you will do it? First see here. If I make a right angle triangle here, this using the Pythagoras theorem, this distance I have to find out first. Okay. So 2 times I have to apply Pythagoras theorem then. So let me just wipe it off. What is the shortest distance between Asha's house and the college is the question. Okay. So how to solve this? So first if I take this triangle, okay, here 90 degree will be formed. So what I have to do? I have to use Pythagoras theorem. So when I apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get c square is equal to, this will be 1600 plus 900. So you will get 2500. So c will be 50 meter you will get. 50 meter you got here. If this is 50 meter, opposite sides of a rectangle, 50 meter will be here. Now this side we need to find out. Okay, this side will be 120 meter. Now this you have to find out again. So second time you will use the Pythagoras theorem. So if I use Pythagoras theorem here, it will be 16900 is equal to 14400 plus this, okay, this x square suppose. So this will be again what? 50 meter it will be x. So here also you will get how much? 50 meter. You will get 50 meter. So two times I have used the Pythagoras theorem. For this triangle, I got this distance. Again for this triangle, I've used the Pythagoras theorem. So now from Asha's home to college I want. So what I will do? 50 plus 50. That will give you 100 meter. So 100 meter is your right answer. Next question on your screen and your timer starts now. Girish leaves his house for his office and start walking in north direction and walks 100 meter. Solve it. What is the total distance from Girish home to his office? Total distance is asked. Okay. So Girish leaves his house for office and start walks in the north direction. So Girish is walking in the north direction and walks for 100 meter. Suppose this is Girish. This is Girish ka house. Okay. And he walks north direction for 100 meter. Then he takes his left and walks 50 meter. 50 meter. Now then takes right turn and walks 40 meter. He takes a right turn and walks for 40 meter. Okay, he walks for 40 meter. After that he takes his left turn and walks 90 meter. So he goes for 90 meter. Then again he takes two consecutive left turns. Two consecutive means what? Continuously two times he will take left turn. That is first one for 140 meter and then again left for 100 meter respectively. So first left turn he will take from here for 140 meter. Okay, so this is already 40 and then this is 100. So 140 meter. So total is here 140 meter. Correct? Then again he will take the left turn and walks for 100 meter. So this is already 90 and more 10 meter he will walk. So this is total 100 meter. Now what they have said, now he has reached his office. So this is Girish's home and this is office. What is the total distance from Girish's home to his office? Whenever total distance is asked, what you have to do? Add all the distances. That will give you total distance. So total distance will be 100 plus 50 plus 40. 1 second. Okay. 100 plus 50 plus 40 plus 90 plus again this is 140 and then plus this is 100. So this will be your total distance. So when you add, you will get 520 meter. So this will be your total distance. Okay. Okay, understanding? So correct answer is 520 meter. 520 meter is the correct option. Now, what if they ask what is the shortest distance from Girish home to his office? This is the total distance. Fine, whatever is asked in the question we have solved. But what if they ask what is the shortest distance or how far is he from the his home to the office? Then how you will solve this? So if shortest distance is asked, shortest distance, then 90, this is 90, and till from here to here it is 50, and this is 100. So from here to here we want the shortest distance. This is the shortest distance, correct? So what I will do, this total is how much? 140, that is 90. This one 90 plus 50, this is how much? Total is 140, and this is 100. So what I will do, 140 minus 100 I will do, which will come to 40 meter. So this is 40 meter. So this will be the shortest distance. So difference between shortest distance and total distance you have to know. Total distance means from his starting point to his office, how much kilometer or how much meter he has traveled. Okay, all those distances you have to add. But shortest distance means the shortest path. Okay, only from this to this, this is the shortest distance. So then what you have to do, this is 90, 50, from here to here this is 140, 140 minus 100 you will do, then you will get this shortest distance. I hope you have got what I'm telling you. Okay, understanding? 29th question on your screen, and your timer starts now. This is the code 8, direction and distance. Solve it. See, some relation, not relation, the direction and the distance is given in the form of some symbol. Okay, and this you need to solve. P and Q. Okay, P and Q, $R asterisk S. So what they have given? P and Q means what? P and Q means P is in the north of H. P is in the north of H. Sorry, P is in the north of Q. By how many distance? 3 meter. Next, $R. $R means, dollar means Q is to the left of R. Q is to the left of R. Q is to the left of R. So that means I have to do like this. Okay. Q is to the left of R. By how many meter? By 3 meter. Correct. Then R asterisk S. R asterisk S means R is to the south of S. R is to the south of S. So here it will be, S will be here. This is by 3 meter. Correct. So if this is 3 meter, this will be also 3 meter. And this will be also your 3 meter. S is in which direction with respect to P? S is in which direction with respect to P? With respect to P, when they say you have to be on P and C, in which direction is S? Which direction is this? This is west direction. West direction, and distance is 3 meter. So it is west and 3 meters. So first one is the correct option. Last question on your screen, students, and your timer starts now. See, what is the logic used here, students? Logic used is, carefully see, here from 46, 32 came, 82, 14 came, right? What is the logic here? First, you need to reverse the 46 number to 64. And then you need to divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. 64 divided by 2, you will get 32. Understanding how to do? First, you need to reverse this 46 to 64 and then divide 64 by 2. That is 32 you are getting. That is the logic. Same way you need to solve this all. Okay? And then you need to solve this question. So, we'll solve it. So, after solving this, what you got? The distance. See, if you solve for d%L, that is 28 is given. So 28 you need to reverse it to 82 and then divide by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 ones are. So you'll get 41. Okay. L hash K if you use, you'll get 13. F%L is 12. Okay. H and F you'll get 42. $H you will get 21. And E hash N you will get 49. Okay. Now we will solve this. So using this you need to draw the diagram and whatever this is given. So d%L means what? L is north of D. L is north of D. L is to the north of D by 41 meter. This 41 meter you have to use. L hash K means K is to the east of L. K is to the east of L by 13 meter. Okay. F%L means L is to the north of F. L is to the north of F means here somewhere F will come and it is by 12 meter. Next, H and F. H and F means H is to the west of F. H is to the west of F by 42 meter. Next, $H. $H means N is to the south of H by 21 meter. 21 meter, this is N. E hash N means N is to the east of E by 49 meter. N is to the east of E by 49 meter. Now in the question what they have asked, students? In the question what they have asked? Just see. If E%Z, okay, I'll solve here. If E%Z is 66, if E%Z is 66, so 66, even if you reverse 66, it will be 66 only. So you have to divide it by 2, you will get 33, correct? So E%Z means Z is to the north of E. Z is to the north of E by 33 meter. 33 meter, this is already 21 meter. And here if you come, it will be 12 meter. So exactly here, this full will be 33 meter. Okay. This is Z. Now what they have said, what is the difference between the total distance from Z to L and total distance from L to K? So total distance from Z to L you have to find out. Z is here and L is here. So first find out the total distance from Z to L. So what you have to do? 33 plus 49 plus 21 plus 42 plus 12 you will do. So how much you will get? So if you add, so I'll write here total distance from Z to L, if you do, you'll do 33 plus 49 plus 21 plus 42 plus 12. You will get how much? 157. Next, they have said total distance from L to K. Total distance from L to K. L to K, how much is there? L is here, K is here. So it is 13. 13 meter. Now what they have said? The difference between they have asked. The difference they have asked. So difference will be what? Difference will be 157 minus 13. 157 minus 13. That will come to 144 meter. So answer is what? 144 meter will be your answer. Okay. I'll write in different color. The answer is 144 meter. Okay. Otherwise, I'll write here, students, if you are getting confused or something like that. I'll write it here. Here I'll write. So the difference is what? The difference is 157 minus 13. That is 144 meter. So that is your answer. Okay. I hope you got this. Thank you, students. That's it for today. So we have covered, not covered, we did practice on two topics. One is your alphanumeric series and one is your direction and distance topic. Two topics we covered. Okay, please do subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and do share my channel as much as you can. Keep smiling. Okay. Next class, we will do practice set of questions on another two topics. Okay, be ready for it. Practice. Okay, students. Bye, students.